journalists, supporters, party members who've been abducted, kidnapped. There have been reports of people being tortured. I think that's pretty valid.
Does that worry you guys? Go ahead, Kasim.
Well, no, I was going to say, I mean, Suleiman cautiously says there have been reports. It seems pretty clear, they're giving speeches looking dishevelled and suddenly no longer part of my father's party, PTI, and all of a sudden they're, giving up on politics, and, it's pretty clear.